We've been doing research for a while now in the way in which Wales and issues in Wales are covered by the media, London-based media, UK-wide media. And what we found repeatedly is that Wales is either ignored or that England tends to be covered as a default for the rest of Britain. So issues like health, education and others that are devolved to Wales really get very little coverage in UK-based media. And there's clearly a potential sort of gap here between the kind of information that we need in Wales about what our government and institutions are doing and the information that's available to us. And this is where we think hyperlocals can play an important part. They can help cover what's going on in Wales and bring those issues right to people in their local communities in a way that allows people to understand what is really going on, the way in which government is working, what policies apply to them and which do not, and can really begin to perhaps address the democratic deficit that I think we're really at risk developing because of our reliance on UK-based media.